Right, this video I'm going to show you an easy fit way of fitting a double USB socket. So you'll need this, the wiring, a connector. Never used these before. They look like they're the same sort of thing, the Scotch block. Drill. Step drill, I mean. Wire strippers and a pair of pliers. Right, let's do this. The idea is to mount it off the existing socket located in the center console. Mount it here somewhere on the back console. Can't get too low, get kicked. There's quite a bulge there, so probably about there. This piece should just come off with a sharp tug. There we go. That's all it is. The plastic trim removed. It's these two wires here, the blue and the black. These are live at the moment with the car open. It's on like a timer when it's locked, so I think it's about 10 minutes it'll turn off when the car's all locked. So really, in an ideal world, disconnect your battery to gain better access to it. Push the little button, pull out, and there you go. As you can see on the new ones, you have these. It's got to come off. Attach this between there and connect the others as well. Okay, we're all wired up. Let's see if it works. And there we go, lovely. With the trim off, I noticed there's this hard pieces here. That there is roughly where I want to put it. Right, let's have a look. What I'll do first is drill a small hole here, so I can make sure my step drill in the right place this side. Like that. Just set up the step drill now. You need a 30mm hole. Just go nice and steady. Connector back on. Nice and tight. Well, let's fit it back in. It's just a case of putting it all back together. And there we have it. Just to confirm. And there we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching.